Hello students, in this video we are going to talk about waste management. Now what is this waste management? Waste material is that material which is not required by us. We throw that material out. Now that material should be treated and disposed of in a manner that is called your waste management. Otherwise all around there will be dirt, there will be not safe environment for us. So waste management means reduce, reuse and recycle of the waste. We should follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycle of the waste. The material should be used again. It should be managed in such a way that waste things should be utilized in making something good. Okay, so now why this waste should be there, why this waste is causing an effect. The effect is on environment, the effect is on economy. Why it is to be managed? Because it is causing your soil pollution, it is causing air pollution, it is causing water pollution. So that is the reason it should be managed properly. So now what are the sources of this waste? We get this waste from our household sources, household activities like peeling of the vegetables, peeling of your fruits, all that we throw out. Industries, the waste from industries, the chemical, the unwanted material of the waste industries are thrown out in the environment. Other sources could be your agriculture. Whatever is required is taken up and whatever is not required, it is thrown out as waste. All this waste get collected and it is going into the seas and oceans and it is distracting the aquatic life over there. Okay, so these things should be managed. There should be a proper disposal of wastes. We all know that in today's scenario, we are using greens and yellow bins at our home. That is also a method to reduce waste. Okay. Now, earlier what used to be there? There used to be landfills. Landfills means large areas were changed into your dumping sites. All the waste was collected from different area and brought to that particular area. And there it was burnt or generated into power. Anything was done with that particular dirt over there. Another thing was your biogas. Biogas typically refers to a mixture of different gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Oxygen can be produced, okay, but in the absence of oxygen, the biogas is being made, which is used for your fuel making, okay, which is used for your manure. But the problem was with plastic. Now plastic, it is non-biodegradable. It does not get decomposed. Okay, it causes environmental pollution. That means it causes a very large amount of pollution. Okay, so the problem was with plastic. Now another important waste, what waste is your water. The water which gets contaminated after various work like washing, bathing, mopping is called as waste water. Okay, now that water should be managed properly. You can't throw that water here and there in your home. You need proper system for that, and that system is called as your sewerage system. The pipes which carry the wastewater is called the sewer. They are called as your sewer. And the total network of the sewer is called as your sewerage. The proper system is called as your sewerage. Now all this sewer and sewerage from particular houses, they are collected and they are thrown into a sewerage tank. A sewerage tank contains a complex mixture containing suspended solids, organic and inorganic impurities, nutrients, saprophytics and disease causing bacteria and other microbes are also present in that sewerage tank. So these tanks are particularly made in the localities to collect the sewerage. After this, the sewerage is treated. The process of removing impurities from the wastewater before it can be reused or sent to the water bodies is called your sewage treatment. It is called your sewage treatment or cleaning of water. That water needs to be cleaned first. It needs to be go through different chambers. Like you can see a sewage plant over here in this picture. All the sewage from the big and small pipes are coming and they are putting it into a sewage tank. That tank further does the treatment of the wastewater. Once the treatment started, then the clarified water we get. The clarified water needs to be purified with the help of chlorine and ozone, and then only it is to be used for drinking. Otherwise, that clarified water can be thrown back into the water bodies. The sludge which is left over can be used as a manure. It can be used in the fields. Okay, so hope so while watching this video you all have got an idea that why it is necessary to manage the waste. We can get many useful things from the waste also. So it is your best out of the waste. We need to have some ideas to develop the best out of the waste. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.